Again, for the mode, there is no native function which is available for us. So let us try to create this particular measure right from ground up, and we can add columns, and we will use the values of particular total steps, and the name will be the frequency. And once we have that, we want to calculate the total steps, right? So once we do that, close the parenthesis, and if you run this, we have a table, nothing fancy here. We have those values appearing in the two columns. Let us try to count, because we want to count the frequency. Mode is the most frequently occurring value in the data set. Let us try to use the calculate and count and close it. Now we have a frequency. We have a column on the left, which is the total steps, and we have the frequency too. So there could be more than one values. That is what we are trying to find. So what we can do is we can wrap everything around top n function. We want to grab the first value, and let us try to add our frequency there, and let us try to use the descending so that we get highest from to lowest. As you can see, there are repeated values here, and we want to grab the highest total steps value from it, right?